All right, welcome to Creator Hardware. Today we're just gonna go over kind of my home office studio and the equipment I have in here besides my server rack. Focused on the server rack, figured I would show you some of the cool stuff that I have around here in case you haven't seen some of this stuff. Now on this setup, you notice I got 3 monitors. They're 27-inch each. I edit with Premiere Pro with my timeline and all that separated out. And I really like 3 monitors. I'd like a 4th, but room's a little bit of a premium on my desk. Editing PC, I want to upgrade it, but it's kind of hard to, well, justify it. It's bulletproof. Now what it is a Be Quiet 901 Dark Base Pro. It has Corsair water cooling in it and Corsair fans in it. Not exactly thrilled with IQ and some of their bugs, but it's been reliable as far as that. Now I run Windows 10 on it, not Windows 11. Chirp me in the comments about that. Not running Linux. Premiere Pro doesn't work with Linux, and DaVinci Resolve, which I have a full copy of, only does 2 screens. That's why I don't use DaVinci Resolve, because I like using 3. Anyway, it is a AMD 3950X, water cooled and overclocked to 4.3 gigahertz, all cores. It has been extremely stable. After a BIOS update several years ago, I had RAM instability and the USB dropout issue. And after the BIOS update, rock solid. I mean, rock solid. Now, when I built it, it was around the 30 series launch, the start of the pandemic, cryptocurrency, stupid prices on 30 series, immediately going out of stock, etc. So I put originally a 2080 in there. Now my original plan was to water cool the graphics card. Didn't work out. It's still not water cooled. It's still only the CPU. Currently it has a MSI 3080 in there, low hash rate, because that's what I could get at retail. I did pay retail for this card. Obviously I do videos on this channel, but I also have another channel called Flat Rate Master where I do other videos. When I built this PC, I didn't have an Unraid server. I didn't have a good place to put storage. So let's talk storage real quick. I put 2 1 terabyte Corsair drives in it, one for operating system, one for Scratch for video files. I put 2 spinning disks in it for archival storage. Again, before I had this channel, I built this. And I've got 64 gigs of RAM in it, so it handles editing fine. Now, a quick story about my first editing PC. That's no longer here. Well, parts of it are. Originally, I didn't have time to build my own PC, so I ordered one from NZXT for you Europeans, and that's now my 9900K test bed that I use every now and then. But anyway, I used that for games and streaming and capture for the longest time. And the problem was the CPU was really showing its age, especially with a 3080 Ti. So I decided to build a new gaming streaming PC. Now, before I get the comments, entitled YouTuber has to have 2 PCs. I don't want to game crouched over here all low. That's the only screen on this system that is high refresh. The others are ProArt for color correction. It's really awkward to game on this PC with my monitor set up. And I always like to have a backup for my backup so I can always edit on my gaming streaming PC. Now let's talk about the gaming PC. Now, if you don't know, I built this on the channel. It's a full water cooled using EK. Didn't know about their problems at the time. Lian Li fans and a 4080 non-super. They didn't exist when I built this. 2 Corsair radiators. No IQ on it whatsoever. And I built this specifically for gaming and streaming. On my main channel, I stream once a week with the most overkill streaming camera on the planet. And that would be a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. Now, I used to use the camera I'm filming on right now, which is my Sony a6600. Unfortunately, autofocus doesn't work real well when going through a capture card. And so during streams, I'd go fuzzy. because Blackmagic doesn't do autofocus at all, and it's a lot easier to reach up and adjust the focus when I'm right next to the camera. Now, of course, the whole point of this is so that I can play at a reasonable height, not hunched over like my editing PC, and I really don't want to raise them up because that third monitor is kind of high, but I like 3 monitors for editing. I know a lot of people would kill for either one of these systems. It was fun. I like water cooling. Say in the comments about you hate water cooling, but I like it. It looks good. I really like how that one turned out. The first system was my first attempt at water cooling, by the way, and I'm not happy with all the tubes. So quick mention about my studio. It is just a room in my house that was specifically set up when it was built to be a home office, and my wife's setup is over there. I got her addicted to 3 monitors, so she has 3 monitors. Her PC's over there. I built it a long time ago. It's several years old at this point, but she's not complaining about it, so I'm not touching it. Haven't even dusted it in several years, so it works. I'm gonna leave it alone. Obviously, this is my background for both of my channels. It's kind of automotive themed, but probably gonna change to some extent in the near future. I just don't know yet what. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for my backdrop. Quickly, let's go over audio. On my editing PC for audio, I use a PreSonus with Audio-Technica headphones that are open back, and I need the preamp to drive those headphones. On this setup, I use a Go XLR for the stream, so I can adjust audios on the fly, an SM7B, because that's what every streamer has to have. And my headphones when I'm gaming are just an old set of wired Audio-Technica headphones that I've had for years. They work great. I like Audio-Technica for headphones. They work really well. So let me know what you think of my little setup here, because I really don't show the rest of it. I have in videos that are no longer on the channel. It's not as roomy as I'd like. Filming on this table right here that may or may not be in the shot. My Gamers Nexus mat can be a little difficult at times. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.